Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is James with OG Superfly Garage. What I'm going to be doing today is taking out this steering wheel here and installing this new one from LMR. I really like this one. I like the grip and everything, so we're going to be installing that. We have to take these out, the horn buttons and the cruise control buttons, and put them in here as well. It takes a 10mm socket to actually get it out right here. I've already taken out two, and so let's get to it. When you're doing this, you want to be sure that your steering wheel is straight as possible. Ensure your wheels are straight in the front. I've already done that. So when you put your other steering wheel on, that little red stripe, you want to be sure it's at the 12 o'clock position. And I'll show you guys the difference once I get this one off. And for those safety conscious people, the battery is disconnected. I disconnected the negative first and then the positive, so this has no power to it at all. Got those off. Airbag should come out now. So you gotta bring the airbag down like this. Then you just simply unplug it. Like that. So now, gotta get this bolt out, right? That's gonna require this steering wheel puller once we get the bolt out. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is a number 15 deep socket with an extension. Find out which one of these bolts screws in. Okay, so it is these two. I mean, technically, guys, this is not a how-to video. There's been plenty of them, but you know, whatever you can glean from this is good. So I'm putting these washers on here. I'll set these to the side for now. Screw this down as far as I can. See how that cap fits right in the middle, so it keeps the bolt centered. So it goes on here like this. So now I gotta slide these in. Have to tighten them down. Right, now I'm just trying to get things threaded in without cross threading. You want to get it in there far enough where it's gonna have a good bite. You tighten this down. Pulls on those screws and it should pull the steering wheel off. In theory. This is trial and error. The steering wheel has not been removed in this car at all. So it's a little tight. Some of this is going to be edited out. So this is why I'm confused. This piece doesn't want to pass through the steering wheel. This is why I'm having trouble. This is interesting. Really, really, really interesting. Personally, I feel like it's universal. I'm not sure. See, because the problem is these don't screw in far enough. All right, so what I've done is I took a socket, a smaller diameter socket, put on there to create more space so I could try to pop the steering wheel off. The other one just was not working. I have to shade tree this thing. off of here. So you gotta be careful of the clock spring that's in here. All right, steering wheel's off. So now we got to transpose these parts to the new one. From this wheel to this wheel. So therein lies the challenge. And you have to access these screws. That's why I'm taking the cover off. These 3 tabs have to be carefully pried up to get the cover off. Cruise control buttons are held in by 2 Phillips head screwdrivers on each side. So I need to disconnect these horn buttons. I think I'm going to have to get one of my picks to get in behind and pull it out. So we're going to need to get this out here because all this has to be transposed over. Disconnect that one, check this one. Button should come out. This should go to like.
Which one's the battery?
I'm sorry?
Which one's the battery?
This.
Oh.
Now the airbag's done. Back in place, we're going to reconnect the battery. Be sure the horn works. Alright, we're good. What do you guys think?
I like it.
I think it looks great. Definitely it's thicker and it's put together better. I like the red line at 12 o'clock. And it gives it more of a sporty feel, you know what I mean? So I like it a lot. And it blends in quite well. So wasn't too bad. That's the end of this video. It's fairly short. So hope you guys like it. And if you do, hit that like and subscribe button. But thanks for tuning in to OG Superfly Garage. Y'all have a great day. See you next time.